The structures of the urinary system function to filter blood and remove waste from the body. The kidneys are the blood-filtering organs. Blood enters the kidneys through the renal arteries. Within the kidneys, substances are filtered out of the blood into urinary structures. Some substances are then reabsorbed back into the blood, and others are secreted into the urine. This three-step process cleans blood and creates the waste product urine. Urine exits the kidneys and moves down the ureters to the bladder. As the bladder fills, interactions with the brain and nerves contract and relax muscular structures, and urine is pushed out through the urethra in a process called micturition.